cat quickly climbed the tree. The duck quacked. In its excitement, it jumped out of the pond. But no matter how hard the duck tried, the wolf ran faster. He was getting nearer and nearer and nearer, catching up with the duck. And then he caught her, and with one gulp, swallowed her whole. And now this is how things stood. The cat was sitting on one branch. The little bird on another. Not too close to the cat. And the wolf walked round the tree, looking at them with greedy eyes. In the meantime, Peter, without the slightest fear, stood behind the locked gate, watching all that was going on. He ran home, got a strong rope, and climbed up the high stone wall. Peter said to the little bird, "Fly down and circle around the wolf's head, only take care that it doesn't catch you." The little bird almost touched the wolf's head with its wings, while the wolf snapped angrily at it from this side and that. Meanwhile, Peter made a lasso with the rope, and carefully letting it down and down and down, slipped it over the wolf's tail and pulled with all his might.